If you're trying to buy a home and you don't have down payment and you're trying to save, but you're having trouble with it, I can help you. Hi, Enrique here with First West Financial in La Quinta for your first time buyer channel. So today we're going to talk about savings. I get a lot of people who come to see me and they say, Enrique, I make good money, but I'm not able to save money. I don't know how to buy a home. All right, so I'm going to cover a couple things. First of all, the first thing you need to know is that there are programs available that will help you purchase a home with very little down payment. Now, those programs are not for everybody. Some people are going to qualify, some people are not. You're still going to need some money out of pocket. What we find is that there's a lot of people that don't grow up with a habit of saving money. They have a difficult time with it. So I try to help people like that and help them with giving them pointers and finding ways to do that. The first thing you need to do is make the decision. Make the decision that you want to save money to purchase a home. And once you make that decision, you want to try to stick with it, you'll be more successful. But you have to be ready. The first step I tell people all the time is take the last bank statement from your bank and print it out and grab a marker, a yellow marker, and go through it and highlight in yellow all the things that you bought last month, or all the places you went to go eat, or all of the money that you spent that you were not supposed to or you didn't really need to, and highlight it and add it up. That tells you that if you're disciplined, all those items in yellow, if you stop spending money that way, you'll be able to save money. So I met with a family recently who were telling me the same thing. They make really, really good money, close to $90,000 a year, but they couldn't really save money. So we went over their bank statement. With their permission, I highlighted some of the items that they told me, and we found that they were almost practically throwing away close to $1,500 a month between fast food, subscriptions that they were not using, a lot of different things, just money that was being spent for no reason. $1,500 a month. So that means that in 4 months, that family can save enough money for a down payment of a home. I would love to help you out. First, qualify you for a first-time buyer program, but also give you some information on how I can help you save money and become a homeowner. I've been doing this for a long time, and I love helping first-time buyers. My name is Enrique with First West Financial, and this has been the First Time Buyer channel. Have a great day.